What's up, team? It's Tierra B, and I'm just doing me. Okay, so here I'm showing you what I'll be using to do this very beginner-friendly wash and go tutorial. I say that because I am not a pro at doing wash and goes. In fact, this is probably only my third, maybe fourth one that I've ever done in my entire life. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I pretty much felt the need to do this because I had a failed hairstyle. I mean, the hairstyle was cute, but for some reason it was flaking. So stay tuned. I'll give you guys the details on that in one of my videos that's coming up. However, I just felt the need to pivot, and so wash and go came to mind, and I just started applying products. So here I'm basically just trying to see if this product combination is going to bring out my curls, and it looks to be so. Let's keep going.
Roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't.
Alright, so I'm here to show you guys the final look. I believe my hair is probably about 70% dry. The outside is dry, but the inside is definitely still a little bit wet. But nonetheless, I wanted to show you guys where we are. This product works absolutely amazing. So far, I don't see any flaking. You guys can tell me if I'm wrong. I'll get closer. But the curls are defined, and even my baby hair stayed a little bit. There's a really light cast on it, which I absolutely love because it gives me hope that it's going to last throughout the week. But yeah, guys, I really love it. I don't want to do too much to it because I haven't done a wash and go in a long time, so I don't really know all about the stretching and all that, so I've got to do a little bit more research so I don't mess up my style. But yeah, this is how it looked. It turned out so cute. I would love it if it was just like bigger and everything, and I can pull it out to make it do so. But like I said, I don't want to do too much. Just to take a look at my coils, I mean, they're really tiny. I mean, I have really fine hair, so it's not quite 4C. It's probably on the 4B scale, but my curls are tight as the 4C girlies. My strands are just really thin, and I have a lot of them, so that definitely works in my favor for my hair to appear very thick. But how cute! And then of course the shrinkage is real. I don't want to pull on it too much, but this even goes further. I just don't want to disturb the curl. But yeah, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you want to see more videos like this, definitely give me a thumbs up and comment. Let me know, and I'll keep them coming. Hey, I'm Tierra B, and I'm just doing me. Bye!